Hi everyone, Mark from the Albany Business Centre with a Canva update for you. So I'm just opening up a new presentation for you here. Going across to the side where it's apps, I'm going to find text to image. If you can't find it there, just type in the top text to image. This will come up with a box and you can type whatever you want. So I'm going to put in there customer in the shop buying some books. Change the animation on there or the style you want. I've gone with anime on this one. This is in real time because I know that a lot of you have complained that you see these sorts of things all over the internet and it just goes too quick for you. So look, I'm just taking my time with this one. Some of the stuff's starting to pop up now for you. Just some ideas of that sort of stuff. I like this one here, so I'm just going to click that. Drag it to the right sizing, which obviously makes a lot of sense if you're going to be doing a post. Look at that, lovely and pretty, edited in the photo. You can change the filters on it on the left-hand side, nice and easy. Let's pick something different. Look, there's a different color. Looks nice. Now you can add some text onto the top of that, adding a heading, changing the color to white, because obviously white's gonna work up at the top. I'm gonna put book day because it's in a book, shop, even. Move it around to where you want it to do. Effects, let's add a little bit on the back there. So book day is going to go into a purpley color. No, doesn't look good. Go back to our brand colors, obviously. That looks great. And that should be everything you need. Hope that helps.